Brain hack: 11 neuroscience secrets to master any skill. In a world where time is so limited and the pursuit of knowledge is important, how can we unlock the secrets to learning anything faster? Welcome to Brain Hack: 11 Neuroscience Secrets to Master Any Skill. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of accelerated learning, where neuroscience meets skill acquisition. The first thing we will talk about is the 10,000-hour rule. You've probably heard that rule before, which states that mastering a skill requires 10,000 hours of practice, right? Wrong. In fact, research suggests that this rule is often misunderstood by people, because the most significant improvements in any skill acquisition occur during the early stages of practice. That's why we have to talk about the next secret: focused, deliberate practice. Because we want to learn anything faster, people usually neglect the power of focused, deliberate practice and breaking down skills into manageable parts. And according to research, significant improvements in any skill acquisition happen during the early stages of practice. But how do we make this practice even more effective? It's simple, and the next point we are going to talk about will help you with that. Breaking down skills. As simple as it sounds, if you break down any skill you want to learn into smaller parts and focus your attention on the most important elements, you will learn faster and more effective. And it doesn't matter whether you're learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or honing any of your skills at all. Remember, the power of focused, deliberate practice and breaking down skills into parts will help you a lot. Are you interested in learning a new skill, or probably want to improve your existing ones, but distractions constantly pull you away from your goal? To learn anything at all faster and effective, you must eliminate any distractions to make sure that you achieve your learning goals. And eliminating distractions is not the only way to effective learning. You also need to overcome emotional barriers in your learning journey. That'll lead us to the next important point: committing at least 20 hours of focused practice. Learning doesn't happen overnight, likewise achieving mastery. That's why you need focus and uninterrupted time to your learning journey. And to make the most of those 20 hours of focused learning, let's talk about how removing distractions can help you. By eliminating distractions around you like phones, social media, and noisy surroundings, you set the stage for fast and effective learning. In fact, by freeing yourself from emotional barriers and removing possible distractions around you, learning will be 10 times easier and effective for you. So, the next time you want to study, commit specific hours, remove any distractions, and watch your skills soar. But let's face it, embarking on a journey to learn something new is always filled with excitement and anticipation. But as we progress day by day and challenges start to arise and frustration set in. But how do you navigate these stages of learning? That's why we have to discuss the next point on the list: embracing the learning process. At its core, successful learning isn't just about reaching the destination. It's about relishing every step of the journey. Instead of fixating solely on the end result, embrace the process itself, the highs, the lows, and everything in between. When you find joy in the journey, every setback becomes a lesson, every challenge an opportunity for growth. So, whether you're mastering a new language, honing a skill, or delving into a new field of study, remember, it's not just about reaching the summit, it's about savoring the climb. Embrace the learning process, and watch as your journey unfolds with endless possibilities. Self-testing is another great secret to learn anything faster. Self-testing involves actively retrieving information from memory, which enhances retention and comprehension. By repeatedly testing oneself on the material, learners reinforce neural connections related to the skill, leading to better long-term retention. This strategy not only identifies areas of weakness but also strengthens overall understanding through repeated practice. And the next one is mnemonics. Mnemonics such as acronyms, visual imagery, or associations provide mental shortcuts to remember complex information. by encoding information in a more memorable format. Mnemonics facilitate faster recall and deeper understanding. For example, using the acronym ROY-G-BIV to remember the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, simplifies the memorization process and aids in retention. And one of the overlooked secret to effective learning is teaching others what you learned. Teaching others, or even pretending to teach, is a highly effective learning strategy known as the protégé effect. When learners explain concepts to others, they must organize their thoughts coherently, fill gaps in their understanding, and reinforce key concepts. This process solidifies their own knowledge and highlights areas that require further clarification. Additionally, teaching others fosters a sense of accountability and motivation to master the skill. Not only that, it leads to repetition of what you learned, which in return improve your learning and retention ability. But wait, understanding your learning styles is crucial in optimizing the learning process. People have unique ways of processing information, and identifying these preferences can significantly enhance the effectiveness of educational efforts. There are typically three main learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Visual learners prefer to process information through visual aids such as charts, diagrams, or written instructions. They benefit most from seeing information presented in a clear and organized manner, as visual stimuli help them grasp concepts more effectively. Auditory learners, on the other hand, learn best through hearing and listening. They excel in environments where information is presented verbally, such as lectures, discussions, or audio recordings. Auditory learners may benefit from reading aloud or discussing concepts with others to reinforce understanding. Kinesthetic learners rely on hands-on experiences and physical activities to learn. They learn best through tactile experiences, experimentation, and movement. Kinesthetic learners may benefit from activities such as role-playing, interactive simulations, or hands-on experiments to deepen their understanding of concepts. Understanding your learning style can be a game-changer in accelerating learning. By tailoring learning methods to match your individual preferred style, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, it will maximize comprehension and retention, leading to faster and more effective learning outcomes. And the last secret to your effective learning is our YouTube channel. We provide you with a lot of hacks and habits that will make you a better learner. So go ahead and watch our videos and start implementing right away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And there you have it, folks. Brain Hacks: 11 Secrets to Learn Anything Faster by Neuroscience. From focused, deliberate practice to embracing the learning process, these techniques are your key to unlocking the power of accelerated learning. Whether you're mastering a new language, honing a musical instrument, or delving into a new field of study, remember to apply these secrets to your learning journey. By breaking down skills, removing distractions, and committing to focused practice, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can acquire new knowledge and skills. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these secrets today and watch as your learning journey takes off to new heights. Remember, the key is not just reaching the destination but finding joy in every step of the journey. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and secrets to enhance your learning experience. Until next time, happy learning!